For this championship, we started preparing really 4 years ago, and it started as infrastructure, getting all the bunkers tuned up around the greens, getting the greens draining properly. We've expanded all the greens to offer some more full locations. Culturally, we've been very aggressive so we could have surfaces fast and firm for this championship.
One thing that we understand is it's a marathon, not a sprint. Didn't want turf stressing. We wanted to look healthy and resilient, that if we did come across some stress in the afternoons, it would bounce back overnight.
We are pretty much right where we want to be. Gearing up for Thursday through Sunday, I don't think we could be happier with the playing conditions, and the rough is where we want it to be, so it can grow up to be pretty challenging for Saturday and Sunday.
It's the fluffing, we call it the rough aesthetics, but trying to make sure it's presentable and penal if shots miss the fairway or green complexes. And then just the green speeds and stuff, you know, maintaining the speeds that are wanted.
Yeah, so it's down to surface management. Firmness, definitely. Green speeds, we're monitoring closely, and we're right in our target range. We might dial it up a little as we get into the weekend, but as I said, we've prepared for this for a long time. This team that we put together has done a phenomenal job.
Toro was a very beneficial part of this whole operation. I mean, Toro's been here for a number of years. They helped with our volunteer program quite a bit. We have the manpower with 100 volunteers, but we needed the equipment, and they provided it for us. So we can be on the course and off the course in about 2 hours now. And that way we're out of the way of play, out of the way of everything.
This weekend, I am on course setup. We'll be changing cups for the back nine. Dave has got this place in fantastic shape, you know, obviously with a stadium setup, but walking the course this afternoon, fantastic condition. Very firm underfoot, everything's super healthy, great color, but you can feel it under your feet that it's ready to go.
I knew that our team and our volunteers would put together a golf course that was absolutely perfect. And the only thing that could change that was Mother Nature, and nobody can control that. And it looks like it's going to work out for us.
The crew has been really working hard, morning and night shifts. The whole entire team, we're 135 staff members, 100 volunteers. They've worked so hard for this, and we have a golf course that we're all proud of at the moment.